Hello, my friends. We are going to do a fun little Valentine in our sketchbook today, but please feel free to make it a Valentine's card to send to somebody you love. It's going to be fast and easy, and I hope you have fun. Here we go. Coming in with my Micron, size 8, and I'm going to just draw a rectangle, kind of off-center because I'm going to have my hearts kind of flowing up that way. So we'll just put it maybe in the lower third of our page here. And please feel free, if you don't feel comfortable just going right in with pen, just go ahead and start with pencil. All right, kind of looks like a house, right? We'll do our little line here. You can see I'm holding it up here instead of down here because I like wonky. All right, we're going to do that. And then we'll bring our two lines this way. Okay, so we've got the open envelope. So these three portions are the outside. This is the inside of the flap. You get it. All right, and then we're going to just start drawing some hearts coming out of the envelope. I'm surely going to be speeding up through a lot of this because that would be super boring for you to watch me do all this. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. And this is one of the instances where it's important to have a pen that is waterproof, since we're doing that first. If you don't have one, just do it in pencil and come back later after your paint is dry. Okay, I'm coming in with just water on my brush. Kidding, there must have been some red on there still. But we're just gonna fill this up with some water very organically. We're not trying to make a perfect square or anything like that. And I've decided my colors are going to be purple and blues, which kind of seems to be a theme in this book at this point, but I mean, it is Valentine's Day coming up. So we're going to start with some purple down here, and then we're going to come in with some blues, and we'll just let them blend together like that. You can see I'm not trying to be super saturated or anything like that, and I am going in the hearts. I'm not trying to go around them because we will simply, we'll just see. We're just going to work with that. Keeping it very light though, and I love it. I will be coming in and darkening up the outer portions of the envelope later. All right, we're going to let this dry. And also noticing I don't love this kind of hard edge down here, so I'm just going to bring some water down under it and then just kind of gently push my brush across it and let it just run how it would like to run. Okay, now I'm going to let it dry. And I must just be a glutton for punishment because this sketchbook, if you've been following along, is a new one for me. And I got the wrong book because this does not handle water at all. It is a Hanamula, but I just need to get a different variety next time. Maybe a Hanamula 100% cotton type of thing. We'll see. Either way, we're going to work with what we've got here. I used a size 16 brush. Don't know if I said that for that wash, but I am going to now switch to my size 10. Just use whatever size you're comfortable with. And I'm just going to come in here and fill in all of my hearts. And let me show you, I'm not going to be super careful. You can go outside the lines because then, and if you like that, then leave it. And if you go outside the lines and don't like it, you just come back in with pen later, which I'm going to be coming back in with pen anyway. So since I'm simply coloring at this point, I've got myself a little coloring page. I'm going to speed up because you know how to color. And now I'm coming back in with my size 16 brush, and I've got it full of water and red color, and I'm just going to splatter here carefully. I should really have something covering my sweater. Okay, we're going to leave it just like that and let that dry. And then we'll come back and do the finishing touches on the circles and the hearts, and we'll be good to go. And now I'm going to hold my pen up here again, and I'm going to just go around everything. I'm going to go around the envelope. I want it to be a little more wonky lines, bolder lines. And when I get done with that, I'm also going to go around the hearts again. And I'm going to outline some of our splatter circles, not all of them though. So I'll go ahead and speed it up. I like it. I like it. And we're going to come in with our white jelly roll, size 10, and we're just going to make little highlights on some of the hearts, if not all of them. Just going to make little lines, maybe some dots here and there. Not thinking this through too much, other than I am kind of just putting them on the same side as one another. Maybe even do a couple over here. And then if you want to make this into a Valentine's card, you could add, love you, sending love, something like that. Maybe I'll just write something. I'm just going to put XOXO, like I wrote it right on their envelope. How's that? XOXO. There we go. Okay, there you have it. If you are a person who likes to make and send Valentine's cards, this is a pretty easy one for you. Hope you have fun with it and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.